using the healing brush. The healing brush actually acts as a band-aid and it cleans up the face, right? So one thing that you're going to do is go on the toolbar on the left hand side. It's going to be this band-aid here. If you right click on there, you will see that there's multiple different things. There's a spot healing brush tool, patch tool, content aware move tool, and red eye tool. We're going to be using the spot healing brush. So again, you want to make sure when you go here, your size is where you want it to be, what you were capable of using. I got about 19. You want the hardness to be low because you don't want it to content aware something like permanent, like a big piece of skin that's moving to another side. If you do that, you'll notice that it looks like a whole bunch of skin just matched up together, right? So you want to turn the hardness down. Spacing should be down as well, because if you turn the spacing up, you'll have spots everywhere. So turn the spacing down. So go on here, you'll notice that it acts as a paintbrush. So if I click and drag over this line, it disappears the line, or the line just disappears, right? So I can go in and literally take off a lot of the blemishes and things with the lady. I can go in, I can change the brush size, right? I can change some disparities between the eyes, right? Take away some of those things here, some things in the mouth. Right? And actually smooth out her face. So I want you to go in and I want you to practice using the healing brush and complete the assignment. Any questions? Let's go ahead and get started.